Hi guys, my name is Jeff and I am from the Stream Machines YouTube channel where we take the difficult things of streaming and help you one video at a time. I had a request from a YouTuber who I guess it was in a different language, French, was asking how on my TV Online 2, a Formula device, my TV Online 2, how to find the buffering meter or change buffering for the better. Now, if this is your first time to our YouTube channel, thank you so much for tuning in. Please give us a thumbs up and share this video with those that have a Formula My TV Online 2. So the first thing you want to understand that the formulas are very, very powerful. I've used them for many, many years, and I don't say I'm an expert on them, but I know a lot about them. And one of the things is if you set this up correctly along with your network, and you blend those two together, you will never buffer. You might buffer a little bit, but not to the extreme where some people are just having just atrocious experiences, bad experiences. So what I'm going to do is show you really quick. This will be a very short video, hopefully informative, just to give you a heads up on where to find everything you need. Now, since you're dealing with My TV Online 2, every application on this device has their own settings within that app, whether that be YouTube, the Market, Formula Remote, or even Google Play Store. Each application on an Android device should have settings within it so you can make changes to it or update it or see if there's an update to the app itself. My TV Online 2 is no different. You can see below that I do have a software update that I will run later on. It's right here, but let's go to My TV Online 2 right here and press OK. You're going to see this screen right here once I press the menu button. I already did before we got started. So in the application, I want to go to the settings part of this app and press the OK button on the remote. From there, these settings do matter, but in this case, we're looking for where the buffer time is or the buffering meter on how to eliminate a lot of the buffering. So I think you can find that as you go down to player options. That's where you want to go. Once you highlight player options, you're going to press the OK button on your remote control. You can see where it says buffer time. Now, when you press OK, it says control the length of time the stream will buffer after changing channels and the channel has loaded. From what I understand from their support website, 0.5 to 5 or almost 6 is if you have fast internet. Fast internet, fiber, anything above, I would say 50 megabytes per second. You want to set it between 1, 0, and 5 or 6, right? That's for fast internet. Let's say you're in a very rural area, maybe Texas, Wyoming, just in a place where there's not a lot of houses, not a lot of people, and that's how you want to do it, then that's fine. You want to go from 7 all the way to 10. And that's because you have slower internet. You don't have the fastest internet. And when you change it to 7, 8, 9, or 10, then that way you have slower internet and it should manipulate the stream or change the stream. And the buffering, when it loads the stream, it will load it correctly so it will play correctly. These are some of the details that these upscale devices like Formula, I believe, I'm not sure if it's on a Buzz TV, a Yoka TV, IPX3. The buffer time is definitely there, but especially on a Formula My TV Online 2. Now, this answers the quick question for that person, and I'm going to go make sure that I share this video with them on our YouTube channel so they can follow along and set up their device correctly. Now, if you find yourself needing a little bit of help, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be setting up a free group for those that not so much want to learn how to stream, but we help you and help others streaming, whether it be streaming TV, whether it be streaming devices. We've been helping people for a long time, so stay tuned for that group that will be created. It's going to be a free group for people that can join. We're going to share videos in there, content in there to help people learn how to stream. Specifically as well, if you're over 50, you're going to want to join this. If you're under 50, you can join as well. But if you're 45 to 50 and never streamed before, we're going to take you from the very basics all the way to the very advanced, and you will learn how to stream absolutely free. So thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Hey, share this video with someone that you care about who has a formula with My TV Online too, so they can get it set up correctly. We'll see you in the next video.